Do you know, you could make a big mistake to take lease solar panel? In this video, I will show you exactly what you could face problems. So sticks to my video to the end. I recently purchased solar panel. I have learned and gathered lots of information. I felt like I should share with others that help you from making big mistakes. You know, solar panel has good and bad, both which you can find in my other videos. But today, we will only talk about what problems you could face after leasing solar panels. Alright, let's talk about what is solar panel lease. A solar lease is a legal contract where a solar company agrees to fund the installation of solar panels on a consumer's roof. The consumer will be charged a monthly fee for the use of these panels for the term of the lease. The term of a solar panel lease is usually between 15 to 25 years. The solar panel company owns the panels during the term of the lease. The contract will show the monthly payment in dollars, rather than in kilowatts. However, they can be converted to kilowatts if the consumer desires. The benefit of taking a solar panel lease is that the solar company provides all maintenance costs. The consumer will not have any of the headaches involved with maintaining the solar panels themselves. Now, let's dive into all the problems you could face if you didn't know before. Number 1 problem is losing all government credit. If a consumer takes a solar panel lease, they will lose the 26% federal tax break. For example, if you buy a 5 kilowatt solar panel, guess you purchased 5 kilowatt system spending $16,000, so you will get a $4,160 in tax breaks, which is 26% of $16,000, excluding a renewable tax credit if you are qualified of tax credit. Renewable tax credit is different from tax credit. For the renewable energy credit, the consumer will receive $90 after producing every 1,000 kilowatts over the next 15 years. If you need more information about renewable energy credit, please watch my Tesla pros and cons video or solar question video on YouTube. The second problem is you always have to pay monthly, and this bill will increase over time. If the consumer takes a lease for solar panels, they will have to pay monthly bills for the life of the lease. In addition to paying solar panel company every month, the consumer will also have to pay his electric company. The consumer could be paying these bills for the next 15 to 25 years. In addition, the lease payment could go up 3% or 4% over time. Thus, each year the consumer can expect to see an increase in monthly payments. Problem number 3 is that the leased solar will be burdened to your property. If someone is going to buy the consumer's house, they will want to see that the monthly payments for the solar panels are a good value. Whatever the consumer owes on the solar panel lease will have to be paid from the proceeds of the sale. The seller must be able to prove there is a value in having solar panels. Let's see if there is truly a benefit to having solar panels. The buyer will have the property inspected, including the roof, to make sure there are no leaks or damage to the solar panels. The buyer will also want to know if the panels are in good condition and whether they are owned or leased. Problem number 4 is property value or liability. There is a misconception in the real estate market which states if the consumer has solar panels, it increases the value of the property. This is not true. If the panels are on a lease, it becomes a liability, not an asset. Sometimes this causes a problem for the appraisal. Let's say the consumer spent $30,000 for the solar panels. It seems logical that the appraiser should be able to add $30,000 to the value. Now I will talk about the last problems, that is old technology. We all know how technology is constantly changing. In 10 years after solar panels are installed, they may become obsolete. Technology is going to continue to get better and better, and the consumer may end up with the dead technology of having solar panels. The consumer may have to pay off the balance owed on the solar panel contract in order to sell his home. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please email us at the address below. The next video is why we invest almost $100,000 for a Tesla. Before I go, this video is made on the basis of information from a financial advisor and a real estate agent. And all states are not eligible for tax credit and tax renewable credit. Please look up your states what they are offering. I have provided the website to look up the information. Nobody will be solely responsible for your financial decision. Thanks again.